This heavy or duty crawler excavator is built for all kinds of complex construction environments. The thickened Ed crawler chassis has strong bearings, capacity, and outstanding off-road performance. It can travel steadily on muddy roads, steep slopes, and rugged construction sites without slipping. Reliable power engine with stable output, low fuel consumption, and long service life. Premium hydraulic system, smooth and precise operation, strong digging force for trenching, loading, and earth moving. Wide vision cabin brings comfortable all-a-day operation. CE and EPA certified. Full spare parts supply support. Want a factory direct price? Send us a message now.